tutorial is to guide you on using the Leah Living Life Collection Dip and Gel System. My name is Leah Yang, Dip Nail Expert with the Leah Living Life Collection and founder of the Glassy Shine Fast Track, a program where I coach busy women how to do their own dip nails from home. Today we are doing a simple dip set from start to finish. It could get messy, so to protect your work surface, lay down a hand towel and or paper towels. Your dip and gel system comes in a box much like this one, and when you open the box up, you'll see that there are 5 bottles. The first one is the number 1 bonder, and the second bottle is the number 2 base. This is the liquid that you will use the most. And then we have the number 3 activator. These first 3 bottles are dip liquids. The next 2 bottles are gel liquids. You have the UV gel base coat, and you also have the UV gel top coat. Okay, and this is what's gonna give your dip nails long-lasting shine. These 2 gel liquids do require a UV lamp to cure in, okay? So you do need to cure your gel liquids. To start doing your own dip nails, you will need a soft, puffy brush like this one. And then you also need a cuticle pusher and a buffer and a file. These are one-time use. I usually throw them out after every manicure for sanitation reasons. We'll be using 2 colors today. The 0546, the cherry red, and the glassy clear 0001. First, you want to make sure your hands are clean and sanitized. I usually use 70% or higher alcohol as not to introduce any oil onto the nails. I always push back the cuticles and use the softer side of the file to gently buff away any invisible cuticles that may be on the nails. This process also roughens up your nail plate so that the dip products have something to hold on to. Then file and shape your nails to your liking. Inside my Glassy Shine Fast Track program, I will walk you through this step by step to make sure your nails are properly prepped so that your dip nails will stay on for 2 weeks or longer. We always start with the number 1 bonder. It's a dehydrator. Its purpose is to clear up any oil that may be on your nails and dry up your nail plate to prep it for the next liquid. Now we are ready for dip application. We're using the number 2 base and the clear powder for our first layer. We are simply applying the number 2 base to the nails and then dipping it into the clear powder. To get nice, thin, even layers, you have to control the amount of liquids on your brush. Inside my Glassy Fast Track program, I show my clients how to get the right amount of liquids for a controlled application so that you won't have liquids going everywhere. Now remember to use your puffy brush to lightly dust off after every layer. Our second layer, we will apply the same liquid all the way to the back and then dip it into the color powder. In this case, it's the LLL collection cherry red number 0546. Once again, control your liquids so that you get thin, even layers. We will do 2 layers of the color. You've probably heard the saying, don't judge a color by the first coat, and it's true for dip colors too. For most colors, you get the true color with 2 layers. I usually do a total of 4 layers with a clear layer on top. For short nails, I don't recommend you do more than 4 layers, even though you can. I give out a worksheet for my clients of the Glassy Shine Fast Track to help them with placement of the layers. It can be confusing if you don't know what you are doing. The worksheet guides you exactly where to apply the number 2 base to build your layers according to the length of your nails. Especially if your nails are longer, you definitely want a nice apex to give it shape and strength to your nails. I am doing a clear layer on top because it protects the color as I file and buff the nails in the next step. I also find that with doing my own nails and many clients' nails, 4 layers is the magic formula to keep your dip nails strong and prevent them from prematurely cracking. What is your magic formula? Let me know in the comments. How many layers do you do for your dip nails? Okay, that's real good. Now remember to shake your number 3 activator every time you get ready to use it. Apply the number 3 activator twice to make sure you saturate the whole nail. I've had many people ask me if there is a defect on this brush, and I'm telling you there is no defect. This brush is used to deposit the activator liquid to your nails simply by touching the dip nail with the brush. If the brush splits as you're applying, it means your liquid is dry. All you have to do is put it back in the bottle to collect more liquids. As you can see, I like dipping one hand at a time from start to finish. And once you activate your nails, you can push back the skin around your nails and start filing it and shaping your nails to make sure you have nice, clean lines. Filing your nails is essential to how they look on your hands and how long the dip will actually stay on your nails. I always say clean lines, and what I mean by that is you want your dip nails to look smooth all the way around, from the cuticles to the edges and the surface of the nails. When your nails are smooth, it's less likely to lift and get caught in your hair or clothes. You can achieve the professional look when you master filing your nails. This is why I always emphasize on application first. If you apply the dip smoothly, then there is less work for you when it comes to filing. On the other hand, if you didn't do a smooth application, then you definitely have more filing work to do. If you don't hold your file correctly and apply the right pressure, then you're just going through the motions. You won't be as effective at getting the look you want and maybe spending way too much time on this process. Fact is, I've heard many unhappy clients tell me they hate their nails because their nail tech skipped this one step, which is filing. Because filing is an essential process in how your dip nails look and how long they stay on, I do spend time inside my Glassy Shine Fast Track program and coach my clients on how to file effectively so that they can get that professional look from the salon. After filing, buff your nails to smooth out any harsh lines that may be left behind by the file. Give your dip nails a good dusting with your puffy brush. This is the part where we switch to gels for the shiny gel top coat. It is a 2-step process, but trust me, it's easier than using the traditional dip top coat. First, apply a thin layer of the UV gel base coat and cure in the nail lamp for 60 seconds. And this is if you have a LED lamp, okay? If you're using a UV lamp only, then you need to cure for 2 minutes. The gel base serves as a bonder for the dip and the UV gel top coat. Skipping this step can mean that your gel top coat can peel off prematurely from the dip nails. Once cured, apply a thin layer of the UV gel no white top coat and cure for another 60 seconds. Ta-da! It's complete! You have a glassy shine top coat that will last as long as your nails. You will never have to deal with stiff brushes again or waiting to see if the top coat dries. The UV gel top coat ensures that you get glassy shine each and every time. I always finish off with cuticle oil because your new dip set deserves to be framed by hydrated skin. Do you need more help or information on the Glassy Shine Fast Track program, where you can get personalized coaching on getting salon quality dip nails? You can book a free 30-minute consult call with me. The link is in the description. Happy dipping!